Hello students, today we are going to learn chapter 1 introduction part. The topic name is where to look from. Today I am going to cover 4 topics only. The first one different views of object, second one portents, third one mirror-offs and final fourth one dividing objects. Now the first one different views of objects. So first what is object? Object is a material thing which means we can able to see and we can able to touch. It is called an object. Now you are all having a mobile phone, correct? You are seeing the mobile phone and also you are touch the mobile phone. So that mobile phone is also one of the object. So now you know what is object. Next, different views of object. It has 4 types of views. First one top view, next front view, next side view and final one fourth one back view. For example, in that picture you are all seeing the car. The first picture is the front view of the car. In the front view you are all see the mirror, 2 mirrors and 2 wheels. And the second picture is the top view of the car. In the top view you are all see the rectangular shape, correct? And third one is the side view of the car. In the side view you are all see 2 wheels and car door also. So all the views are different to see and you can see the different things also. In a front view you are all see 2 mirror and 2 wheels. But the top view you can't able to see the wheel. You only see the rectangular shape, correct? So we cannot conclude to see any one side of the object. For example, if you are seeing the side view only means, are you able to conclude car has 2 wheels only? No. It is best to see all the sides to conclude before judge anything. என்ன பண்ண முடியாது, நம்மளால ஒரு திங்ஸ் இருக்குதுன்னா அதோட ஒரு சைடை மட்டும் வியூ பண்ணி காரில் 2 வீல்ஸ் இருக்குது 2 மிரர்ஸ் இருக்குன்னு யூ கான்ட் ஏபிள் டு ஜட்ஜ் எனி திங். நம்ம 4 சைட்ஸையுமே வியூ பண்ணி ஆஃப்டர் தட் யூ டெல் கார் ஹேஸ் 4 வீல்ஸ் அண்ட் 2 மிரர்ஸ் எக்ஸெட்ரா. Second one, pattern. Pattern is nothing, it is a design. Pattern means repeated design. It is something used as a model to make a copy or design. For example, our day-to-day activities, our dress, screens, rangoli and so many patterns we are seen. So the rangoli is one of the example of the pattern. Third one, mirror house. Mirror means reflection, you all know. So what is mirror? Mirror is nothing. Whatever you show in the mirror, the same thing will reflected in the mirror. நம்ம எந்த ஒரு திங்ஸை மிரர் கிட்ட காட்டுறோமோ the same thing will reflect. அதே திங்ஸை நமக்கு என்ன ஆகும், reflect ஆகி நமக்கும் கிடைக்கும். So mirror means simply it is a reflection. This is the some examples of mirror house. So first என்னது, it is one triangle. triangleல நம்ம first இருக்கிற அந்த portion mirror கிட்ட காட்டும்போது it will be reflect and give the second portion. This is all the examples of mirror house. Fourth one, dividing objects. It has 2 types. First one symmetry and the second one asymmetry. So what is symmetry? When object cut or equal, it is symmetry. Asymmetry means when object cut or not equal, it is asymmetry. ஒரு object cut பண்ணும்போது both sides are equal means it is symmetry. If you are cut one object, the both sides are not equal means it is called asymmetry. For example, in the first picture, the tree cut into the two portions. The both sides are equal. So it is a symmetry. But the second picture, both sides are not equal. So it is called asymmetry. Thank you.